Do you have a chimney in your home? Do you know that that could be the single biggest hole in the fabric of your home? And if you've got a Victorian era home, then you've probably got 3 chimneys. If you've got a 2-story Victorian home, hey, you've got 6. Once upon a time, people were going around with chimney balloons to seal these. But you know what? Chimney balloons are rounded and chimneys are made of bricks, which are straight. So you can speculate how many chimneys were actually draft proofed with those balloons. Well, what else can we use? At the moment, the thing that's going around are sheep. Chimney sheep. But I don't know if you've ever smelt a wet sheep, it's not good. So what should you do? Get a ecoMaster chimney draft stopper. These are made especially for chimneys. And guess what? You trim them to size and they're square like a chimney, and just push them up and seal your chimney once and for all, or 3 or 6. Happy draft proofing.